Alright, here we go. KRL1022 with the Home Depot special. Really like this. It's got all the power outlets. 4 on each side and 2 USBs on each side. We've got the Snap-on charger, an extra battery up there. That's a Snap-on flex head 250 foot-pound torque wrench. Let's start up here. Snap ring pliers and mini pliers and spare chisels. Got all the long Torx and Allens and spare Allen keys and bits, extractors, Deutsch terminal tools, more electrical tools, torch, spare wrenches, mirrors, dial caliper, spare nut drivers and screwdrivers, spare ratchets. Those are the 120 XPs, hose pick pliers, tap and die set, and my big dead blows, soft mallets, and the starter, a remote starter guy. Junk drawer. Everybody has one. Electrical drawer, multimeter, power probe, heat gun, spare parts, light tester, that kind of stuff. One of the big money drawers anyway. Mostly Snap-on. All the impact stuff is between Sunex and Gray Pneumatic. All the chromes are Snap-on. So yeah, all that fun stuff. 36 inch breaker bar or pry bar and the 30-inch Matco breaker bar, which I plan on trading in because it sucks. Of course, we got the big 58-inch Dominator from Mayhew, the 8-pound brain fart Wilton hammer. I knew it was W something. And come on, pull out. There we go. All my wrenches, standard, metric. These are Sunex. They work amazing. Paying $50 instead of $800 or $1,400 from Snap-on. So yeah, it's all the stuff I use daily. Another big money drawer. Mostly Snap-on. Actually, all Snap-on. For the ratchets, except for this guy. This guy is, what's that, Titan, I think? Yeah. Snap-on. These things are amazing. The Wobble Plus. All the screwdrivers, pixels, all that jazz. This is a pretty neat kit. It's a ratcheting nut driver. Of course, you gotta have it. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. $40 on Amazon. Not a fan of these scrapers. Unfortunately, they kind of suck. And pliers. Of course, you got the long ones underneath and the ones I normally use. You got the Nip-X, of course, everybody has those. Yeah. The beating drawer. A big bar right here. USA Craftsman hammer that I've had for forever, and it's by far my favorite. I got this hammer set off of Amazon too, but it's a good beginner set. I can't remember how much I paid for it. Cheap chisels, Snap-on chisels, roll pin punches, Mayhew, lady slippers, gear wrench, line punches, or lineup punches, and the other money drawer. New Milwaukee 2235 Ti. These guys are pretty amazing. This one's a 3/8 stubby, that one's a 1/2 inch stubby, and they have a lot of balls. Of course, 761 die grinders, drill, air grinder. That's amazing. Don't know why I still have that one in there. Air hammer. I know I suck at all this video stuff, but I'm working with what I got. Random shit, service stuff, you know, fuel filter stuff, oil filter wrenches, hood prop I use for adjusting clutches, and just random crap. This is kind of the empty box stuff. Bolt extractor set, air powered pressure tester for coolant. Other junk drawer. I keep all my keys and shit. Half-X extensions, some paperwork, and gloves. This demolition chisel is freaking amazing. I mainly use it for separating Pitman arms off the gearboxes. These new gloves are pretty slick too. With the new D3 foam or whatever. And then just random stuff. Welding helmet, multimeter box, box for my quarter wrench socket set. I have my old Crossman's in there. Power steering puller, and the rethreader kit right there. So, hope you enjoyed the toolbox tour.